Hello, everyone. In the previous lesson, we learned about 3 knowledge points. 1. The concept of electric work and the measurement method of electric work. 2. The determination and deciding conditions of a single-family housing branch circuit. 3. The components and selection of power distribution devices. So today, we will learn new content: how to install a single-phase service entrance equipment by hand. This lesson will practically show you the operation steps and commissioning methods. What we will learn in this lesson: operation steps and commissioning methods for installing single-phase service entrance equipment. First, let's get to learn. 4. Schematic diagram of installation of single-phase service entrance equipment. Figure 4.2.1. The figure has 6 components: main switch QS, low voltage fuse FU, single-phase electric meter KWH, switch S, incandescent lamp XL, and socket CH. Conduct wiring according to figure 4.2.1. After confirming that the wiring is correct, close the single-phase knife switch QS, turn on the power supply, and observe the rotation of the aluminum disc of the electric meter. Then let's watch the video. Install the electricity system for a single-family housing. Hello, everyone. The content of this lesson is to install a single-phase service entrance equipment. Part 1. Preparations. Wear protective clothing. Prepare a low-voltage circuit breaker, 2 low-voltage fuses, a single-phase electric meter, a single-board switch, a lamp holder, a bulb, a socket, a wiring terminal, a fixed guide rail, several screws and nuts, BLV 2.5 square millimeters wires in red and blue, a Phillips screwdriver, a needle nose plier, a wire stripper and a multimeter. Part 2. Procedures. One. Schematic diagram of installation of single-phase service entrance equipment. 2. Check whether the appearance of components is damaged. Check whether the low-voltage circuit breakers, low-voltage fuses, single-phase electric meters, single-board switches, sockets, lamp holders, and bulbs are in good condition. Three. Component installation. Lay out low-voltage circuit breakers, low-voltage fuses, single-phase electric meters, single-board switches, lamp holders, and wiring terminals, and fix them on the electrical engineering board to strive for a reasonable and beautiful layout. 4. Wiring requirements. When BLV 2.5 square millimeters wire is used for wiring, it shall be laid out in a way that's horizontal or vertical, neat and beautiful, 90 degrees at the corner of the wire, round and smooth. Connect the live wire of the low-voltage circuit breaker. Connect the null line of the low-voltage circuit breaker. Connect the low-voltage fuse line. Connect the single-phase electric meter line. Connect the single-board switch line. Connect the lamp holder line. Connect the power line. and install the bulb. Five, check whether the wiring is correct. Put the multimeter in the ohm gear, the measuring range in the buzzer gear. The red probe of the multimeter is connected to the incoming terminal of the live wire of the low voltage circuit breaker, and the black probe is connected to the outgoing terminal. Check whether it is connected. Check the incoming terminal of the live wire of the low voltage fuse. Single-phase electric meter. Single board switch and lamp holder, one by one. According to the circuit diagram, and then connect to the incoming terminal of the null line of the low voltage circuit breaker with the red probe of the multimeter, and connect to the outgoing terminal with the black probe. Check whether it is connected, and check the low voltage fuse, single-phase electric meter, and the null line terminal of the lamp holder, one by one, according to the circuit diagram. In the end, check the wiring from the electric meter to the socket, and strictly follow the requirements of null at left and alive at right, indicating that all circuit wiring is correct. Six, power on test. After inspection, the circuit wiring is good, the single board switch S is closed, the insulation is normal. The power supply QS is connected, the incandescent lamp is on, the single-phase electric meter dial runs. The single board switch S is disconnected, the incandescent lamp is off, and the single-phase electric meter dial stops running, indicating that the circuit can work normally. 7. After installation. Clean the site, recycle tools, and place them neatly. Notes: in operation, attention shall be paid to the reasonable layout of components. The lines shall be installed in a way that's horizontal and vertical. The installation of components shall be firm. The contact of wires shall be good, and the exposed core shall not be too long. The content of this lesson has been fully presented. Let's review the key points of this lesson. 1. Operation steps for installing single-phase service entrance equipment. 2. Commissioning methods for installing single-phase service entrance equipment. That concludes this lesson. Thank you, everyone.